So I came across a particular video that says about Lucky Watch. So I decided to start to check it out. So I wanted to take you guys along with me. So in this video we're going to find out if this video so in this video we are going to find out if this particular platform is legit or not. So please do stay tuned and watch this video to the end, and let's find out together. So I just opened this app, and it says get free money for watching short videos, no investment or skills required. So since you're not going to be investing anything, let's go and get started, guys. So we're going to tap on get started, and it's going to ask for your email to sign up and all that. So I think I'm going to be signing up with my Google. I'll be signing up with Google. So here we are, we have signed up, and this is how the platform and what the platform looks like. So we are to watch and get paid. So if you look down here, you're going to see home, referrals, watch, payouts, and settings. Okay, so I just started. Let me know, and you can also try this. So let's go and check what is okay. Today I've earned nothing. All time watched video 0. All time I've not watched. I just logged in. I just created this app just to check if this app is legit. Okay, so what we are going to do is tap on the icon, this icon where it says watch that has $sign. So we are going to tap on it and see what is going to say. Use a smartphone for correction operation. Use an Android smartphone to work with the service. Oh, okay. So this particular platform uses Android. It doesn't make use of iOS. So if you have iOS device, please try as much as possible to try this particular platform out, watch videos and get paid. Okay, you can watch videos and get paid and see if it's actually legit or not. Okay, I wanted to try it out and know what's up, but I guess it's not actually opening in iOS. Okay, use an Android smartphone to work with the device. Okay, since it did not work for me because I'm actually making use of iOS. So please try if you have an Android phone and see if it's going to work for you. Bye. Okay, let's try this watch. Same thing. Okay, bye guys. I just wanted to check it out, but it's not going to work for me. I would have known if it's legit or not. But if you want the referral link, if you want to get this particular app, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box, so you can actually try and log in directly from it. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.